My name is Mark Tillotson. This is for a 300. We have multiple installations. 350s are pretty similar to these, but these are designed to handle the pressure of landing. The aircraft lands safely and it does everything it's supposed to do. We have different degrees of inspections. This one is a 192 month, and basically it's a complete overhaul. We take all the bushings out, we strip everything, use a plastic media to clean it up, and then we do dimensional inspections on everything, make sure that there's no wear on the bushings and on all the pins. Every little nut and bolt gets accounted for. We clean them up. If we find any corrosion or any cracks on these, we discard them and then we replace those as well. This gear gets really dirty. A lot of water and mud and debris do go on these. So we want to make sure if this is dirty, we can clean that out. Because it's so exposed to so much, we are checking the whole gear for any types of cracks and corrosion on them. As an inspector and a tech, I asked my question, would I feel comfortable landing in a plane that I had built? I mean, everything about a plane is pretty much important, you know, wings, the engine and everything, but to me, the landing gear is very essential, and I feel we do our part very well here.